Today, UAV pilots are operating far beyond media roles. They are in surveying, construction, oil and gas, telecommunication, and now the military. My name is Akimoto Amide Anthony. I'm a CE licensed drone pilot and a member of faculty of the Geoinfo Academy. Shall we begin? For over a decade, we have worked at trainings through the full spectrum of UAV operations, from airspace regulation and flight permissions to VLOS and BVLOS operation, drone pre-flight checks, flight control, takeoff and return procedures, manual and automatic flight planning, and advanced flying techniques. The UAV technology program was designed for a simple purpose: to equip every trainee with advanced skills transferable to their respective industries. And this is our commitment to you. At the Academy, no matter the industry, the age, or the skill level, you are welcome. You are welcome to improve your skills. You are welcome to share your ideas, and you are welcome to Geoinfo Academy.